Good morning to everybody. Thank you so much for especially for us that involves in AEC industry. So I'm going to start with our current situation right now with the problem statement with regards to the working. Pretty much everybody, because personally we are working in the office. So this one is kind of different environment for us, okay, to adapt with. And also we are trying to, what Autodesk do is actually trying to help the AEC industry on how we are going to tackle the issue, how we are going to working from home. So I will begin. So this is the first thing that people might ask. Okay, it's about how can you do work in different environment, not in the office. Okay, this is the thing that we need to, to focus. Okay, in terms of how we are going to make the work done. Okay, not in the office. So how are we going to achieve it? So secondly, it's about how can I still be productive? So this one is definitely, the right question to be asked, because I know that when I stay in the office, okay, it will be much more productive, okay, rather than I'm working in the home. So how can Autodesk help us, okay, to make us really productive? And next thing is about how do I work with the team members at home? So basically in your office, if you have any discussion, you can make it quickly, okay, by face to face. But how are we going to tackle this issue when you need to work with your team members at home? Okay. And lastly is about, is there any cloud platform in the AEC market to collaborate with while working at home? So when it comes to this point, I know that most of you guys might think that, okay, at least I have Google Drive. I can upload every file inside my Google Drive. So what is the difference between the Google Drive and what does Autodesk Cloud Platform offer to us? Okay, so there's gonna be, a lot of beneficial things that I would like to share with you later. So to answer this question, okay, there is a way to overcome the problems, okay, with what we propose to, which is the Autodesk Standard Access Program to Cloud Collaboration Product. So we are going to use this Standard Access Program to overcome the problem that I highlighted earlier. So how can you do work in different environment? So from here, you can do your work in flexibility, maybe currently. So how can I still be productive? Yes, you will maintain your productivity by using this standard access program. How do I work with the team members at home? You can work with your team members collaboratively. For sure, you can communicate with the cloud solution that we provide to you. And lastly, it's about, is there any cloud platform? Okay, so yes, with Autodesk Cloud Solution, this is what we're going to extensively talking about this Autodesk Cloud Solution today in this webinar. So this one is a fact, okay, that everybody know. Okay, it's about Autodesk Cloud Solution. Do you know that almost 80% of the construction data is in AutoCAD, right? So you need, whether you like it or not, you need to work with your AutoCAD data whenever you are. So this is the best platform for you to work with. This is the solution that we provide to you, okay, by using the AutoCAD web application. So definition, what is the AutoCAD web application? I will explain to you later in the next slide. So how about if in the different cases, if let's say that if I have the Revit, Navisworks, and other related file, I need to oversee the construction documents. I need to, see the project tracking. And the most important thing, I need to collaborate with the team members through the cloud. So this is the best platform for you to work with. It is about Autodesk BIM 360. So this one is the solution that provides you. On the Autodesk Cloud Solution here, so what is the AutoCAD web application? It is an addition to the AutoCAD family. It is working with the same concept of what AutoCAD did, and it is fully supported with the cloud-based platform. It means that the most important word is that you can work directly from the web browser. So the AutoCAD web application enables you to create, view, edit anywhere with any device. So the same principle as what you did by using the AutoCAD application, and you don't have to download to get the things. Okay, you just need to go to the AutoCAD browser to work with. All right, so that one is on the AutoCAD application. So the next thing is about the BIM 360. Okay, if we try to understand what is BIM 360 is, I try to simplify the description of what is available in the internet because it was a lengthy description. So I try to make it short. So BIM 360 is the services that provide Autodesk, okay, with the cloud solution to help the AEC worker to store and collaborate with other members in a project. This is a platform, you need to know that this is a platform not only supporting the storage data, okay? For example, you have all the documents on the AutoCAD, Revit, you just upload it inside the cloud. No, it is working holistically, okay? In the collaborative, okay, in coordination and document management, okay? You have a lot. So from this one, I would like to connect it both of the solution that they provide into this. Okay, we need to understand that both is the cloud platform. Okay, when I mention about the cloud platform, okay, it means that we need to have an internet access. Okay, that one's the first part you need to know. Secondly, it's about portable. Portable means that it is easy to carry. Okay, just open your laptop or mobile device to work with. Next thing is about accessible. Okay, you can access those things inside the web browser. Okay, and the next thing is about flexibility. Talking about this flexibility, you can work from home. Okay, and anywhere that you think it is possible to work with. Okay, and then efficiency. About efficiency, we can guarantee that the efficiency is still the same whether you are working in home, just the same way the way you are working in the office. Okay, right? Because the beneficial tool is there. All right. The next thing is what people might ask is actually what are the system requirements when I were to use both of the application. The first thing you need to know is that when I use this AutoCAD and BIM 360, okay, I can use any browser that I want. Okay, I can use a Chrome, I can use Firefox, Safari, Edge, Internet Explorer. Make sure that it is 64-bit browser, and make sure this version is in the latest version. Bear in mind, this product is actually run entirely on the web. So the system requirement is really, really minimal. You need to focus on, it is, you need to have recommended that you have at least 2 GB of RAM. So you need at least 2 GB, okay? So the next thing is, this one is more important things that people might ask. It's about, how about internet connections, okay? So what Autodesk will provide, it is distinguished into 3 parts. So which is on the minimum, okay, value and performance. So on the minimum, just only have 5 Mbps connection. For the value, you have a 10 Mbps per connection. And for the performance, you have 25 Mbps connection. Okay, in order for you to make sure that every work that is done, okay, without lagging, you must make sure that you at least have a 35 Mbps connection. Because this one is for the best performance. All right. The next thing is about how to get in the cloud. Okay, so I already explained to you about BIM 360 and also AutoCAD web. So the things like how we're going to get in the cloud. So basically, you need to have 3 things. Okay, you need to have the PC, laptop, or mobile device. Okay, for you to access. All right, and then for sure you need to have internet connection. So this one is the most important part you need to know. And lastly, is about Autodesk cloud-based platform. So this one you can access through the web browser as on the right here. Okay, you can go to web.autocad.com, and then you can go to the BIM360autodesk.com.